And you isolate the intake manifold? Done. Thermal output remains within acceptable parameters for Mark IV specifications. Control room, we have a confirmed predictive failure on turbine gamma. Initiating emergency shutdown sequence. If we reroute the plasma flow here, we could reduce the thermal load by 20%. Acknowledged. Cross-referencing with the efficiency metrics now.
If I adjust the parameters here, the AI optimizes the entire structure. That looks much more efficient. Let's analyze the data output.
The structural integrity on the Jakarta Bridge project looks stable.
Good. Reroute power from the regional hub to compensate for the fluctuation.